Can I get a list of all of the contacts in my PhoneBurner account that have unsubscribed from the emails that I've sent them? Well, you certainly can. In the PhoneBurner system, using the advanced search, you can search for contacts based off of their email status. So this is another video in the advanced search training module. And in this particular case, we're going to be talking about the email status section of the advanced search menu. So if we expand that, you'll see there's two options in here: email status and email confirmed status. So email status is going to allow you to search for contacts based off of whether or not they're active, unsubscribed, soft bounced out, hard bounced out. This can be useful for you if you're trying to build a list of people to reach out to or call, and you want to not call somebody who's unsubscribed. Or maybe you need to pull that information out of PhoneBurner and update an external database. The next option for email confirmed status, most of your contacts in PhoneBurner are going to be restricted. Why is that? Because when you import contacts, they all come in as restricted contacts. You do have the ability to include an opt-in link in your emails that you're sending out, and then they can become confirmed. But it doesn't really change anything with how you email from the PhoneBurner system. So most of our customers don't take advantage of that. But again, it is an option if you want it, and people could confirm their email address. And then you could search for contacts that had clicked on that link to confirm their email. So this is just another option that you can take advantage of when you're building your list or trying to extract data from the system. You can find contacts that may have unsubscribed or are currently still active in your account. So that's it for the email status training. Thanks for taking a moment to watch this video, and happy dialing.